Everything is changing. If you've been holding off on buying a drone, stop what you are doing right now. The landscape of aerial cinematography is about to be completely rewritten, and it's happening in a package that fits in the palm of your hand. We are talking about the DJI Mini 6 Pro. The leaks have finally surfaced, and we aren't looking at an incremental update. We are looking at a generational leap that blurs the line between the ultra-portable Mini series and the professional Air series. We are going to cut through the noise to bring you the cold, hard facts on the gear that matters. Specifically the blueprints, the factory supply chain data, and the leaked specs that are sending shockwaves through the drone community. Let's start with the elephant in the room, or rather, the sensor in the sky. For years, we've asked for true professional quality in a sub-2 9-gram drone, and DJI seems to have finally answered with a massive, stacked 1-inch CMOS sensor. This matters because it isn't just about megapixel counts. Stacked sensor technology allows for significantly faster readout speeds, which drastically reduces rolling shutter, the distortion you get when flying fast or panning quickly. This means your footage is going to look cleaner, sharper, and far more cinematic, even in challenging lighting conditions where previous mini drones would have struggled with noise. The camera upgrades don't stop there. Rumors are pointing toward the potential for 6,000 video recording. We aren't just looking at a crisp 4,000. We are looking at a resolution that offers incredible cropping flexibility in post-production. To handle that light, we are seeing leaked information regarding a mechanical variable aperture. This is a game changer for drone pilots. Instead of relying solely on neutral density filters, you can physically adjust your aperture, likely ranging from f1.8 to f11, giving you total control over depth of field and exposure in real time. Whether you are shooting in blinding desert sun or golden hour landscapes, the ability to control light at the lens level is the definition of a professional workflow. Now, let's talk about the flight experience. We've all been there. You're in the middle of the perfect shot, and you get that low battery warning. It kills the creative flow. The internal data suggests DJI is implementing a new high-density battery chemistry that is designed to push flight times closer to the 60-minute mark, maintaining that 2 for 9-gram weight threshold while extending battery life. This drastically is a technical marvel. It means you aren't just flying, you are exploring. You can reach further, stay in the air longer, and capture those complex sequences that require multiple passes without having to land every 20 minutes to swap out power cells. Safety is the other massive pillar here. If you've flown a drone in complex environments, you know that confidence is key. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to feature an omnidirectional nightscape LiDAR system. We are talking about true obstacle avoidance that doesn't just work in bright sunlight but actually excels in lower light conditions. By utilizing advanced LiDAR, the drone can map its surroundings in 3 dimensions with incredible precision. This is a massive upgrade over traditional visual-only sensors that can get blinded by shadows or bright glare. When you combine this with the next generation of AI subject tracking, you're looking at a drone that can follow you through dense forests or complex urban architecture with a level of autonomy that makes it feel less like a tool and more like a dedicated camera operator. Of course, the transmission system is the backbone of any reliable flight. We are expecting the integration of the DJI 5 transmission engine. This isn't just about range, it's about signal penetration and reliability in interference-heavy urban environments. If you've ever had a shaky feed or a drop in signal, you know how stressful that is. 5 is designed to keep a rock-solid, low-latency stream between your drone and your controller. No matter how much electromagnetic interference is in the air, beyond these core performance metrics, we have to consider the operational ease of use. The software integration is expected to be equally transformative. Leaked details point toward an updated interface that prioritizes quick capture modes, allowing pilots to switch from standard flight to cinematic gimbal movements in a single tap. This is crucial for content creators who need to adapt on the fly without digging through complex menu systems. Furthermore, the internal storage options are reportedly being expanded significantly, with high-speed onboard memory that ensures you never miss a shot due to a slow or failing memory card. The physical build quality is also getting an overhaul. New materials, specifically aerospace-grade composites, are being utilized to enhance the drone's durability while keeping it incredibly lightweight. This focus on premium materials ensures that the device can withstand the rigors of frequent travel and demanding flight conditions. It's clear that DJI is not just building a drone. They are building a highly capable, resilient platform designed for the most demanding aerial shooters in the world, ensuring that every second of flight time is optimized for maximum creative output. With all this tech packed into a tiny chassis, people are asking how it handles wind or thermal management. The leaked factory blueprints suggest a redesigned airframe that prioritizes both structural rigidity and cooling efficiency. The motors appear to be larger and more efficient, designed to provide better wind resistance and higher top speeds, ensuring that your 6,000 footage remains perfectly stable even when you're pushing the limits. The big question is, who is this for? The reality is that the Mini 6 Pro is positioning itself as the all-in-one solution. If you are a travel vlogger, you no longer need to compromise on quality to save weight. If you are a filmmaker, you finally have a secondary camera that can actually hold its own against your primary cinema rig. The convenience of a sub-249-gram drone that doesn't require registration in many regions, paired with this kind of raw performance, is a combination we haven't seen before. We have to talk about the possibilities. Are these specs realistic? History has shown us that DJI doesn't just release hardware. They release ecosystems. When they push the boundaries like this, it's usually because they've mastered the manufacturing process at scale. While official pricing and a set-in-stone release date are still pending, the industry suggests a late 2026 to early 2027 rollout. We are watching the supply chain closely, and as soon as we have concrete confirmation on the drop, the information will be shared. This leads us to the most important question: is it worth the upgrade? If you are currently flying a Mini 3 or even a Mini 4 Pro, you're already getting great results. But the leap to a 1-inch stacked sensor and mechanical aperture is revolutionary. It changes how you approach aerial photography. You aren't just capturing video. You are capturing raw data that you can manipulate and color grade with the same freedom as a full-frame mirrorless camera. The community is currently divided on these leaks. Some of you are waiting for the 6,000 resolution, while others think the variable aperture is the real game changer that will redefine what we can do in the air. Regardless of where you stand, we are entering a new era of drone technology. What was impossible yesterday is becoming the standard today. Keep your eyes on the skies and continue tracking every single leak, every factory rumor, and every piece of official news until this bird is in the air. We are going to continue analyzing what it means for your creative work as we move closer to the official launch. We are pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of personal technology, and we will be here to guide you through the transition to this next generation of aerial cinematography. Stay focused, keep flying, and keep creating. We are going to witness history together as these powerful new tools finally hit the market.